With Mem, you can simply dump in notes, brainstorms, meeting recaps, emails. Basically, AI automatically connects and organizes all your information for you, so you can focus on your work instead of sorting files. Suddenly your inbox is cleared in minutes, not hours. To-do lists, double-booked meetings, or the constant shuffle of priorities. You're not alone. It auto-schedules tasks around meetings, instantly reshuffles when things change, and adapts to last-minute updates, so you're always on track, even when life throws you a curveball. Generate engaging social media posts, or even triage support tickets, freeing up your team to focus on what matters most. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination. For creators and brands, it's essential. Work smarter, dominate the platforms. Records, transcribes, and summarizes everything. Get a searchable transcript, jump to any admin or forgotten tasks. Fireflies turns every meeting into a permanent searchable knowledge base. Analytics like talk time and sentiment to improve meetings. It protects your time by scheduling flexible habits and focus blocks around your real life.